This was my view at night. Pretty dangerous, right? Well, I had to fix it. Hey guys, today was supposed to be a simple repair video, but things went sideways during filming. The Porsche dealers surprised me with their pricing, and I messed up on the simplest task. But don't worry, I fixed it later. This story is all about repairing windshield washer nozzles that weren't working. It's a quick 5-minute job you can do yourself, but trust me. Watch this video so you don't make the same mistake I did. Curious? Let's dive in. Let's start from the beginning. Autumn has its charm. Crisp air, golden leaves drifting down, and the world slowing down as nature prepares for winter. It can be breathtakingly beautiful. But not when your windshield washers don't work. When I got the car, the driver's side nozzles didn't work at all. Honestly, I don't know how the previous owners managed to drive in light rain. Here's a shot on a cloudy day. You can't see a thing. The wipers don't even smear the dirt. It just clings to the glass like it's welded on. No matter how much fluid I spray, it refuses to budge. And in a car like this, that's just embarrassing. And here's at night. An absolute nightmare. With glare from oncoming headlights and a smeared windshield, you're practically driving blind. At this rate, I wouldn't just miss a pedestrian. I'd miss an entire moose. Or, if I'm really unlucky, a whole truck. I tried cleaning them with a wire, used compressed air, but the fix only lasted about a month. Then they'd stop working again. I even filmed the old nozzles in action, just so you can fully appreciate the struggle they were putting up. Or rather, the half-hearted dribble that was supposed to clean the windshield. I decided it was time to replace them. And here's the first surprise. Let's check out a parts website I often use. Selecting Porsche Cayenne, model years 2011 to 2017. At car salvage yards, they cost 10 to 15 euros each. But looking at these listings, most of them come from vehicles around 2011 or 2012. That means they've already seen over a decade of use. Sure, they might still work, but for how long? So, just out of curiosity, I decided to check the price of brand new original ones, fully expecting some outrageous number. But then, at the official dealer, brand new nozzles were just 18 euros each. Can you believe it? Paying nearly the same price for used parts when the originals are barely more expensive. So I ordered both sides. At the dealership, they explained the difference between the right and left nozzles. It's all about where the water hoses connect. That made sense. Replacing the nozzles is a breeze. Just 5 minutes. Pull out the old nozzle. Next step, detach the washer fluid hose. Sounds simple, right? Well, in theory. But this little clip had other plans. And there it goes. See? Easy. Eventually. Heating wire stuck? Of course. And got it. Ah, nothing like a brand new part. Fresh, clean, and ready to go. Connect the heating wire to the new nozzle. Reattach the washer fluid hose. Snap the new nozzle into place. Repeat for the other side. Easy, right? For the other side, it's the same process and the same struggles. But this time, we've got experience, so obviously no trouble at all, right? While I was at it, I decided to replace the wipers too. The old ones were terrible. I always prefer Bosch wipers. Other brands never work well for me. They either don't clean properly or wear out too fast. By the way, I love the wiper mounting system on this car. It's so simple to install, much easier than on my Q7. Wait, here's something I just realized. What about right-hand drive versions for left side traffic like in the UK? Do they flip the spray pattern along with the wiper system, or are they the same as on European left-hand drive models? Maybe they're actually mirrored? If you know, drop a comment below. Back to the nozzles. Take a look at the old ones. They're rusty. Rust clogged the channels and stopped the water from spraying properly. Now let's test the new ones. The spray is powerful, almost too powerful. It looks a bit strange, but maybe it'll work better at higher speeds. But wait, at speed, the lower left corner stays dirty. It's really annoying. It's like cleaning a window but leaving a smudge right in your line of sight. You know it's there, and now you can't unsee it. Then it hit me. What if I mixed up the right and left nozzles? It's easy to check. You remember the steps? Take off the nozzle, disconnect the fluid hose, and... Just kidding! Of course you remember. So, I checked, and guess what? The new nozzles have labels indicating left and right. Look at this. On the old ones there were no labels. I didn't even think to check the new ones. I just assumed the hose connections were foolproof. Turns out they're identical except for the spray direction. Naturally, I only figured this out after installing them backwards. So for science, let's compare. On the left, wrong way. On the right, fixed. Spot the difference? I switched the nozzles to the correct sides and look at the result. Everything works perfectly now. I even filmed the results during the day and at night, just to enjoy how well they work. The total cost? 38 euros, not counting the wipers. So if your nozzles don't work properly, replace them. It's cheap, easy, and totally worth it. If this saved you a headache, or at least gave you a laugh, stick around. There's always more to figure out, fix, or mess up along the way, because in the end, it's really easy. See you in the next one.